How to make money with affiliate marketing. Getting into affiliate marketing is a great move for the business person who wants to make some extra income. You must put time and effort into your venture in order to succeed. These tips will help you to make a success out of your affiliate marketing business and start earning the profits that you seek. Once you are making a decent amount of money, you should think about asking for more money from the program that you joined. Affiliates want to keep successful partners, because they bring in extra revenue. They may be willing to offer you a better percentage. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Track your site information. There are several methods available to help you do this, and some of them are even free. You want to keep track of how many people visit your site versus how many of them are buying from it, and try to increase those numbers. Make this a goal to focus on. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Advertise your affiliate product in a variety of venues. Some people look for products online. Others might respond well to flyers and brochures. Still others might need a percentage off coupon. By advertising your product in a number of venues, you will attract a broader audience. Use long-tail keywords to promote your affiliate marketing product. To do this, search for your product using Google's free keyword tool. Choose keywords that have a moderate following, as opposed to those that attract millions of hits. By doing this, you will reduce your competition and have a better chance of getting higher search engine rankings. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard-to-spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you should write videos. It is crucial that you know everything there is to know about your product. In order to achieve this, you have to research and write videos. When writing videos, include a link to your site in the resource box. Use the tips and advice that were published in this video to help you in your journey to affiliate marketing success. Take the time to absorb all of the provided information, and apply it to your business plan to find the profits that you were seeking when you started your business. Student loan.